Hi everyone, I want to share with you a very beautiful hairstyle, very simple, very easy, loads of different things that you can do with it. But the foundation for this hairstyle is using one of my latest hair pads called the Patariki. Now this is the Patariki hair. It's basically a hair pad in two different colors that comes with a very strong hair clip. So you clip the hair pad on and you place this onto the hair. You can use this for different structures, different ideas. Now the beauty of these hair pads is very, very simple. What it is these hair pads are made of monofiber hair, so synthetic hair. Simply take your hair grip and place your hair grip wherever you want, and it holds the hair grip beautifully. The hair grip doesn't fall out again. It stays inside the hair pad. So let's have a look at our very simple Patariki hairstyle. Now you can see by using a simple Patariki through the hair, we were able to get all of this volume. You saw that I put a tiny little bit of back combing just to hold it together. But the secret success to a Patariki is the strong clamp to hold the hair in place, and also the ability to be able to take your hair grips and pin them into the Patariki without them falling out. They are incredible. Here's our beautiful hairstyle, kind of a half up and half down.